Changing a process's priority determines of how much your computer's memory space, resources are devoted to that process. Now, if you want to know more about prioritizing tasks in Task Manager, here's a video tutorial perfect for you. So for the first method, change priority using Task Manager. Change the priority using the Task Manager. Simply open Task Manager, go to Details tab, find a process, right-click on it, select Set Priority, choose a priority level, either real-time, high, above normal, normal, below normal, or low. Then click Change Priority when prompted. After that, close Task Manager on your Windows PC. Another method is to create a shortcut with a specific priority. Do it by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop, choose New, click Shortcut, enter the exe name for your program, then add a slash. Then click Browse, select the exe file, then click OK. Afterwards, enter the following code at the beginning of the command, then click Next, name your shortcut something you will recognize, and then choose Finish. So that's how to prioritize tasks in Task Manager in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.